The block extension identifies a Minecraft block state definition file containing block rendering and behavior definitions for Minecraft game data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, create, or troubleshoot these Minecraft data files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open in block file. Here's a sneak peek. Block files are block state definition files. For Minecraft, defining how blocks render their visual appearance based on different property states. They map block property combinations to specific model files, controlling how blocks display in different orientations, conditions, and configurations. Minecraft block state files use JSON format with a variance or multipart structure mapping block property values to model references with rotation UV lock and weight parameters. They connect block properties like facing and half to appropriate 3D model files. The block data container is optimally managed by Minecraft. Java Edition, developed by Mojang Studios, Microsoft. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows cannot decode level, map, or asset data, so compatible tools must be used. The easiest way to rule out a simple failure is testing. Right-click your block file and choose Open With. Use Minecraft. Java Edition first. If it's not there, try another application. A quick test is very revealing. When your block file does not open, it is usually a small issue. This is where the real troubleshooting begins. Let's challenge the file by testing these known weak points to find out where the error is coming from. First, editing block states. Open block files in any JSON editor or text editor with syntax highlighting. Modify variant mappings to change which models display for specific block states. Ensure all property combinations have valid model references. Validate JSON syntax before saving. Next, creating custom blocks. Design custom block state definitions by creating JSON files, mapping your block's property combinations to model files. Place block state files in the resource pack's assets, Minecraft, block states directory. Create corresponding model files in the models or block directory. Finally, testing changes. Load your modified resource pack in Minecraft and test block rendering in-game. Check all block orientations and state combinations for correct model display. Use F3 debug mode to verify block state properties match your definitions. Fix any missing model references. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.